Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris, and I just got back from the food pantry. Let me show you what I got. All right, as usual, we're going to start from left to right. Okay, starting off, we did get some macaroni and cheese. I'm so glad because I got something I'm going to make a dish with this, okay? We got pasta heaven, some elbow macaroni, oh yes. Got some white rice, love that. Dried fruit and nut mix. You know what? This is going to be right on time because the holidays are coming and I could make a fruit cake with this. It's going to be good. I got some raisins, individually packed. I could use that for Jay's lunch. Oh yeah. Oh, knocked over my pasta. I have some pistachios. Oh, that'll be fun. I'm going to give these to a neighbor I know that really likes these. Got some cereal for Jay's breakfast. Yes, he's going to like that. Now, I'm going to show you all how I make my dried milk. I'm going to show you my recipe that I do, that I think is nice. I hope you enjoy it too. I think it makes it taste better. It tastes pretty much like milk. Yeah. Oh, we got dessert in the house. A nice apple Danish. Yes, yes. What do you want to call that? Danish or pastry? Probably a pastry. Yeah. Got some rolls. Now, I'm going to take these and I think I'm going to make not just burgers, but the long ones here. I think I'm going to turn those into garlic bread. Because like I said, I'm making something special for dinner tonight. Okay. Oh, look at this. Wheat tortillas. Yeah, all wheat. That's good. We got some ground beef. We got some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Oh, yes, yes, yes. That's going to come in handy. Also got some meat patties. A little salty for me. So I got a neighbor that can eat salt, so this is okay. Got some produce. Now, these tomatoes to me are saying, eat me now because I'm ripe. I'm ready. I'm done. So I'm going to have a nice chopped tomatoes over top of the dish I'm making tonight. Ooh, sweet pepper. Love those. Nice tomatoes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. They gave us a COVID test. That's always good to have. Now, it is coming up. Fall is coming. Dried beans, I'm going to show you once again what you do with these in the crock pot. I'm going to make my all-inclusive bean soup. You're going to love that, okay? Now, this is so cute. The neighbor has a baby, so I'm going to give these to her. That's so cute. Look at that. Oh, that's so good. Now, also, we got heart-healthy cream of chicken soup. I'm going to make grilled chicken Cajun pasta with the creamy sauce. This is going to be the creamy sauce. Y'all going to love it, okay? Then we got, oh, look at this. Mixed green beans. That'll be nice. I got some, what are these now? Oh, it just says fruit mix in natural fruit juice. Okay. Got some peaches. I still got to show you how to make my peach cobbler. Well, my wannabe peach cobbler anyway. And some other desserts. Ooh, I got some whole kernel corn. I was hoping it would be salt-free, but you know what? I have some corn. I can always rinse this off. When it's not salt-free, nieces and nephews, just rinse this off, okay? Now, low-sodium spaghetti sauce. I'm going to take those other tomatoes and I'm going to put them with this sauce, and it'll taste like a homemade sauce you cooked all day. Now look at this. Pink salmon. You got a whole can of pink salmon. I'm going to show you how to make my salmon salad. That stuff is so good. Got some black beans, which are delicious. Got some pinto beans. Oh, with those black beans, I'm going to show you how you make my black bean dip. Nina, now sit down. You know you're in trouble already. I swear. Oh, we got some no salt added mixed veggies. That's good. And that wonderful duo, salt and pepper. Chicken noodle soup. That'll be good. I'm going to save that. Oh, I'm going to use the juice from this chicken noodle soup to add into my sauce mix. Oh, yeah. All right, got some pork in a can and peanut butter and jelly. Now the pork in a can, I'm gonna do a casserole with that. Or should I do a pulled pork sandwich? Pulled pork sandwich it is. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Peanut butter and jelly is a wonderful staple in this house. All right, I'm gonna pull back and show you a pan of everything I got. Okay. And of course, some of this Miss Bambi is going to love because I'm giving that to her. Nieces and nephews, reach out to the food banks. Do not be ashamed. Also, I have a special video I want to put up, and I want to talk about haters and people that say negative things to you. Okay? We're going to address that because somebody said something to Mama Bird that I don't appreciate and she did not deserve. Okay? Remember, if somebody calls you a name or something, it's not what they call you, it's what you answer to. You make the person that you are. I want all of my nieces and nephews to stay blessed. Okay? Salty Assassins, a special shout out to your mom. Okay? Victoria, I know you're in the house. Lynn. Oh, and all my new nieces and nephews, welcome, welcome, welcome. This is Uncle Chris. Big love to you all. Let me know what you need me to cook next or show you how to cook. All right.